So this is the Charles Doding hard modules from the container wise. They're based on that or inspired by that polystyrene growing modules, the white ones. I used to have them, but they gradually over time get damaged. And I had in my old videos, you can see those ones. And they were easy also to crumble, to break away, or even rodents would nibble on them. So these ones are the best. I'm growing this Bleu de Solaise hardy leek. The French variety, close to what they have in the Mediterranean area. For example, in Iran. I don't have those leeks in Iran. They're very good. Cut and come again. But this is the closest one you can get probably. Other than probably the Greek one, maybe are similar to those Persian ones. But anyway, this is what we have here. But that's what we use. So these are the leeks seeds, and I will do multi-sown. So I will fill up 2, 3, or 4 in each of these module cells. And now cover them gently with some soil, some compost. I don't do it very thickly over here, just a little bit, so they can germinate easier. So each one of these probably has around an average 3 to 4, so 60 cell means that we have around near 200 plants here. If they all germinate, we will see. And I will water it again, and I put it on somewhere to, I put a label also and put it somewhere to grow.